with your teacher friends.
Hi, it's Lydia,
And Heather.
your teacher friends, and we're here to show you tried and tested science activities that you can do in your class.
And this activity we'll be showing you is making ice cream. Why is this special?
In the process of making ice cream, students experience and see for themselves how heat transfers from a place where there's more heat to a place where there's less heat. And we make this happen by creating these conditions. As a consequence, they will also see for themselves a change in state and experience a lovely dairy treat at the end of it.
Now these are the materials that you're going to need.
So we've spoken about creating conditions for heat to transfer. Now remember, heat always transfers from a place where there's more heat to a place where there's less heat. What Heather's going to do is she's going to create the cold conditions with some ice, but we're going to make this bag of ice even colder by adding salt to it. How much ice is in this bag, Heather?
About 4.5 cups. And I'll add my salt.
Ice on its own is 0 degrees Celsius, but by adding salt to it, we're really making sure that it's extremely cold. Right.
Come back to me on this one.
Okay, and in the meantime, in this smaller bag, in this smaller sandwich bag, we'll be putting in the ingredients to make the actual ice cream. So in this bag, we'll have some cream. That's half a cup of cream. Now this, mind you, is to be shared between 3 to 4 students.
I have just gone off the bottom of the thermometer. We are less than -10. This is definitely the coldest thing in this room.
Fantastic. Now, we've got cream in here. I'm showing you a base recipe. Some online recipes will require you to use cream, a mixture of cream and milk, but we've just gone for what's easiest. Creamiest and has the most calories. So we've got cream in there, and then we will need something to sweeten it, and that's just a tablespoon of sugar. Do you mind holding this bag for me? We're just gonna go with vanilla, just a teaspoon will do. We've gone creative before. What flavors have we done before, Heather?
Pizza sauce, that was one of our favorites.
And laksa. Make sure you seal this bag carefully. So in this bag, we've got a liquid mixture that will eventually turn solid. But to make that happen, to make liquid cream turn into ice cream, we'll have to make heat leave it. So we're gonna put this bag of cream into this bag of ice. And because the bag of ice is so cold, heat is going to leave and be transferred into the ice.
More heat to less heat.
More heat to less heat. So it does get very cold. Heather just confirmed with us that the temperature it's almost as cold as -10 degrees. Now, once it's in this bag, that's when you start churning it. Shall we do that? Would you like to show another way we could
I will, yes.
do this?
Let's shake.
Thank you.
I've got one here in a lunch bag.
Shall we do it? Is there music in here? Let's have a look. Yep.
I'm going to, not everybody's got oven mitts. You can also wrap it in a tea towel. You just don't want to touch it with your bare hands too much.
Okay. I think we're ready to do this. So why is shaking necessary? You see, as heat leaves the cream into the bag of ice and salt, it'll turn solid anyway. But the reason why we're shaking it is so that the crystals that are made within the ice are small enough to produce smooth tasting ice cream. So here we go. We've got, after a couple of minutes of shaking, solid ice cream. Yeah?
Do you want to look at mine?
Yep. Shall we take a
Mine
look?
still needs some more shaking, but
does.
I'll wait while you open yours.
Right. So it's solid, and the reason again why it's solid is because heat has left this bag and gone into someplace colder. This bag. That's heat transfer for you, but I wonder how heat transfer tastes.
Let's see.
Let's have a look.
I'm very keen to get a spoon into this.
All in the name of scientific discovery, Heather.
That's nice. Look how solid that is.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good.
We didn't check allergies, so just make sure that everyone who's making it in your classroom can eat the cream afterwards.
Enjoy.